The U.S. government shutdown of 2025 is impacting hundreds of thousands of jobs with layoffs and furloughs. The president is even threatening terminations. Here's a simple, proven way to replace lost income if you are a victim of the 2025 government shutdown, or to protect yourself in case you are about to be yet another casualty. Stick with me, and you will learn how to create a full-time income online, no matter what your background. I'll share how you can do this, working as little as 30 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making my living online for years. I never worry about layoffs or shutdowns, and I have the time freedom to do the things I want to do when I want to do them. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here is what I recommend. It's what I do. It's a simple affiliate marketing business that's all done online. In case you are new to the term, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. Affiliate marketing is my #1 recommended way to make money online. My business is simple, it takes minimal time, it's very affordable. You can create both daily income and long-term passive or recurring income too. Recurring income is money that keeps coming in month after month from the sales you make each day. Imagine still getting paid months from now for what you do today. Here are some specifics on the affiliate business I build and recommend. We promote 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. The company pays us 80% commissions. You can make as much as $800 on a single sale and also earn recurring income like I mentioned too. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. You will love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And here is why this business is so simple. You'll have your own powerful online marketing system. Yours will be just like mine, but personalized to brand and promote you. This automates your business and really leverages your time. It's how you can do this in just minutes a day. It comes with everything you need to make money. You will receive excellent training. We have a simple to follow training website with dozens of how-to videos. You'll learn everything from how to make money fast to how to build your business using free marketing strategies. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. And we have our own exclusive social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when you join our team, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell anytime you need help. And in case you are wondering, this is not one of those MLM things. To learn more about replacing income lost to the government shutdown and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.